Hello children. So welcome back to another class on your English 1 from your Gulmohar book for class 2. Today we are going to read chapter 6, The Man Cub. So on your page number 45. Are you ready with your Gulmohar book? First of all students, I am going to read the chapter for understanding of the pronunciation and expression that we follow while reading this chapter, and then we will moving to the discussion part. Let's begin. Start with Peter Point. Okay, see in your book it was a quiet evening in the jungle. So first of all I just explain you the title of the chapter, that is The Man Cub. बेटा कब किसको बोलते हैं? कब इज अ बेबी ऑफ बेयर ऑफ लायन, है ना. तो इस चैप्टर में क्या है? द मैन कब, मतलब वो मैन का कब कैसे हो सकता है? मैन का तो बेबी होगा. तो दिस इज अ सरप्राइज. सी द स्टोरी सो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड. ओके, आपने मोगली वाली स्टोरी सुनी है? मोगली जो जंगल में जानवरों के साथ रहता था, वही वाली स्टोरी है ये, सेम टू सेम. सी, इट वॉज अ क्वाइट इवनिंग इन द जंगल. The wolf family was resting in their cave. Father wolf had just woken up from sleep. Mother wolf was laying with her 4 cubs. That's when they heard the tiger's angry roar. I wonder what has made him so angry, said Mother Wolf. They walked up to the mouth of the cave. The bushes in the front of the cave moved. Father Wolf and Mother Wolf stepped back a little. Suddenly, you can see the picture. Suddenly, a tiny human baby crawled out of the bushes. He grabbed a low branch and tried to stand up. A man's cub, said Father Wolf. So, turn the page now. See, on the next page. Is that a man's cub? Said Mother Wolf. I have never seen one before. Oh, how little he is. The baby looked up at them and laughed. Sher Khan must be after the man cub. Let's take him inside before he gets here, said Mother Wolf. Inside the cave, the baby crawled between the sleeping wolf cubs and lay down. Just then, Sher Khan reached the mouth of the cave. What do you need, Sher Khan? Asked Father Wolf, walking towards. You can see the picture? Yes, here. So, next is शेर खान विद एंग्री आइज. देखो आपको दिख रही है ना उसकी आइज, बहुत गुस्से में है वो. अ मैन कब केम दिस वे, सेड शेर खान. हिज पेरेंट्स हैव रन अवे, सो गिव टू हिम मी. द मैन्स कब इज आर्स नाउ, सेड फादर वॉल्फ. नो, इट्स माइन, द टाइगर रोल्ड इन एंगर. Mother Wolf leaped forward and stood in front of Sher Khan. The man's cub is mine. You cannot kill him. You will live with our pack. Now go away. He will live with our pack. Now go away. Sher Khan growled. Then he turned around and left. Now see the next page. Father Wolf said to the Mother Wolf, the cub must be shown to the pack. Only they can tell us if he can live with us. Okay, she said, smiling at the baby. Let's call him Mowgli. The baby smiled back at her. That night, Father Wolf, Mother Wolf, and Mowgli stood in front of all the wolves of the jungle. Baloo, the brown bear, and Bagheera, the wise panther, were also there. Father Wolf pushed Mowgli into the center. Baby Mowgli laughed and began to play with rocks. The leader of the wolf pack asked, should the man cub stay with us? Baloo said, Yes, I will teach him all about the jungle. Then Bagheera spoke, yes, let him be a part of the wolf pack. The wolves agreed with Baloo and Bagheera, and that is how Mowgli became a part of wolf family. So students, this is a story about the man cub. ये कहाँ से ली गई है? Adopted from the Jungle Book by Rudyard Kipling. Okay, Kipling. So already I just read this chapter. You read it at least twice, and then I will explain you in my next video. Thank you, students.